Hello everybody, this is Chris with marketing3dsm.com, and on today's video I would like to show you a very nice way on how you can make money, $50 or $60 per hour or even more depending on how much time and effort you're gonna put on this. Very easily, no experience, no technical knowledge needed, just drag and drop. Very easily. I'm gonna talk to you about this in a moment. Before we go ahead and start, as always, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make online passive income from the comfort of your house every single month. And at the end of the day, that's why you're watching these videos. You're looking to make extra income in order to improve your finances. So please go ahead and click the link below this video. My #1 recommendation is below here. And also I would like to ask you as well to click the subscribe button in order to subscribe on my channel, in order for me to get your feedback, to see my next videos, and for me to improve on the videos we give you every week or so. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start on this method that I'm gonna show you on this video. Drag and drop very easily. Let's go ahead and start to it. Alright guys, what I'm gonna talk today, it's about this website called Fiverr. One second. There we go. Fiverr. On Fiverr, if you go to fiverr.com, I would like you to go and find the video and animation on the top menu where everything is. Go to video animation, and I want you to go and find where it says whiteboard and animated explainers. Yeah, there you go. You're gonna be prompted with this, and this is what I would like to show you on how you can create videos as these ones very easily. But before we go ahead and start, I just want you to get an idea about what we're referring here. Yeah, so let's see. You can see here videos ranging from different people from offering these gigs. They call them gigs here. Yeah, so even different projects or different videos or gigs. You can see people having videos starting animated 2D videos, not 3D. Yeah, 2D. So you can see starting from 195, 55, 297. Here this guy had this about 4,500 euros, 297 again, 50, and so on, 1,693, and prices ranking and go down. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start something like this one, for example. Let's something with somebody, this one. Yeah, this guy has 370 rating. So let me see. If you open this one, this is a 2D animation video. So if you click just to see how it looks.
Animated video is certainly a great marketing tool to tell potential clients about your product, service, or promotion. Animated video can be...
So this is what I'm talking about. Just to get you an idea, you can play around and just to get a feeling of what these 2D videos, animation or whiteboard videos are doing. It's a very nice way to promote video services and products nowadays. Video sells more than an image or an actual word ad, so videos nowadays is the way to go. So these 2D videos, the different users, you can see that they start on different packages. Yeah, so this guy has a basic package starting at 42 euros, the standard at 127, and the premium at 169. And you can see the different the difference between each packet when you scroll down. So the basic video is a 15-second video, the 127 is a 30-second video, and the 169 is a 1-minute video. So where I come in here, do these things have requests and demands? Yes, they do. And let me go back and show you. Let's say, for example, this one here, this guy has about 370 graded and feedback gigs or orders. Definitely out of the 370 you see here, maybe it's even double the orders. Just 378 people just had the time or the feedback or went back and gave feedback to this person. So you can see also that it's 40 orders in queue. Now if we take just that these people are using the basic packet, if you make 440 multiple 40 euros, this guy is making thousands just by 1 gig, by one video. So let's get into it to see where the fun part is. You can create these videos one at a time, post them here, and start getting money out of it. And don't think that this is I'm not a graphic designer, I'm not computer science, I'm not. Nope. Then that's where the trick comes in. I'm gonna show you this very nice website called Powtoon. Yeah, very easy. It's free to use. So go ahead, create an account. The only thing you need to do, you can use your Facebook account to log in if you want, or just put your email and your initials and so on, and just receive an email, confirm your email account, and start using it. And what you do, guys, is just very easily go to this website. This is a home page, yeah? So when I click here, you come to the home page, it brings you here. And let's say, for example, I want to start creating. You go to start now from the beginning, and very easily you can find templates that you can customize. So these guys have here a very big range of templates that you can choose from based on the ad or project you want to work. So if you click here, it says video ads, and you can see all the different trainings they have for HR, for IT, for freelancers, sales and marketing, explains, and so on. You can choose based on the category you would like to make the videos, and also it breaks down to from work is this, educational, you have all teacher students, and personal, you have inspirational holidays, and so on. I'm just gonna leave it here and go and scroll down and find one just for the sake of this video. Let's go and play around and find one, yeah? So let's say, for example, I wanna do this preview. It's gonna load. Very easily you can see everything. Alright, let's say I'm gonna use this template. Use this template. It's gonna load for you, and you're gonna receive very easy graphic tool on the URL page. You see it's loading. 1 second. I love this, guys. It's very nice, very easy to do. You create one video and then you just load it, have it up and running on this site. You can create different subject, different categories, play around with it, learn the tool, and then just load 3-4 videos, and then you can start getting different orders as well. So there it is. This is the template they have, yeah? So you can choose and change things. So instead here of hey and target, just double click here, yeah, and change the target and say people, for example. Hey people, and then you can bold, you can underline, you can change the color. Let's say, for example, you want to do like this, yeah, you can change the font, close it. You can change the, if you want, you can change the personality of the image of this person here. So if you come to characters, you'll be able to get a lot of different characters you can choose from. Let's say, I like this guy, he's nice with the type, but if you want, you are able to see on your right side the different characters you want. So just choose here, and it's gonna load you these different people. If you want, let's say, for example, to use this guy, you just click on him and go. Alright, see how nice this guy is waving. You are able to see, yeah, you are able to see it's giving different category. Once you click on this guy, you have the angry, you have the sad, you have the waving, there you go, the idea, the typing, the sad, so whatever you want. And you are able to move them around like this. You are able to delete, because I accidentally clicked twice and I have more people going here. Move him around if you need. If you want to change the background from here, you come here and change the background. So see, you are able to choose what is more likely to your project. So let's say, for example, I want to change to this. We are able to move around, drag and drop, guys, drag and drop. You are able to make the changes. You are able to customize again your wording, and then once you do some changes, you just hit the play, you do a preview, you customize, you save it, you upload to Fiverr.com, and you have your first gig to do it from there. I know I'm going a little bit fast on this one, but is very easy. Everything is done for you. All you need to do is create an account, which is free. The only thing that you're gonna see is that you have different versions. Let's say, for example, when you go to choose different options, you are able to see that some of them are free and some of them belongs to a pro account. Pro account, that's where you have to pay, and the plans are these. Yeah, you start from $19 per month, which is gives you up to 15 minutes of work. Then you have the 59, the 99, and so on. But don't pay just yet. Just create a free account, which is $0, and start creating a couple of videos to learn how this software is. Create one or two, upload it to Fiverr, and start getting money. Once you start receiving some money, which is from the free account, you can then go to Pro for the $19, create even more videos, more advanced videos, become an expert on what you do, start receiving orders, start promoting your business, and money will start to come in. And based on how much time you have available, you create more and more videos, upload it, bam, there you go. You can even go and start a small free template website that I show you to one of my previous videos, where you can get free template videos for the websites. For, I don't know, $19, you can get one, modify it, and you can even start promoting that you have an online business of making these videos. Yeah, so you use this, how to make videos, upload it to Fiverr, upload it to your website, bam, start making money one after the other, and start making some good income with it. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really excited about this one. It's a very nice tool out there, free, and whatever is free and you can play around with it without putting any money down, it's always better, because you can experience to see if you like what you see, if it's something that express yourself, and if it's something you can do. But I think this is something everybody can do. No experience needed. You just need to spend some time to play around to see with the drag and drop options, and that's it. Once again, I hope you like this video. If you do, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the like button, and leave any comments. If you have any questions, I will try to get back to your comments as soon as possible and start making some money out of it. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Be safe. Be healthy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.